chief guest has arrived. Please clap for the chief guest.
I now invite our very own Vijayalakshmi ma'am to accompany our chief guest.
First of all, very, very warm good evening to all of you here, our founder chairman, our principals of 3 schools, our school staff, our minds, all our students and the proud parents. It's a pleasure being here among all of you. మీ అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక చాలా చాలా నమస్కారం అండి. At first, my sincere apologies for making you all wait. We always try to reach someplace on time, but our professional commitments keep us on our toes. So I'm extending my sincere apologies for that. But I'm very happy to be here because మన పిల్లల దగ్గర వెళ్తే స్కూల్కి వెళ్తే మనకు మా టైం అయితే గుర్తుంది. Remember our school days. And it's always the fondest of memory we have as as adult also. We never forget our teachers, we never forget our school friends. We can forget anything, but we do not forget our schools. That is the beauty of this institution. అంటే ఇది ఒక ఆధారం లాగానే ఉంటుంది, మన మొత్తం జీవన్కి ఇది ఒక ఆధారం. ఐ హర్డ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ అచీవ్మెంట్స్, స్పెషలీ అంటే ఏది ఒక ఫీల్డ్ చూస్తే, కరాటే చూస్తే, లేకపోతే స్పోర్ట్స్, అకాడమిక్స్, సైన్స్, everything is on excellence level in this school, and I'm very, very proud to hear about the achievements of the students. I'm sure the parents would be far more proud to see their children and the names coming up here. There is a quotation which says that children are the most valuable assets of the future. They are the most important investment we make, not just in our lives but in our societies. మన చిల్డ్రన్ నుంచి ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేస్తే దానికి రిటర్న్ అయితే చాలా మల్టిప్లై అయిన వస్తుంది. దే ఆర్ లైక్ వెట్ సిమెంట్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫాల్స్ ఆన్ దెమ్ ఇట్ లీడ్స్ ది ఇంప్రింట్, ఇట్ టేక్స్ ద షేప్. గుడ్, if we give them good values, the good values continue. If we give them talent, the talent continues. If we teach them hard work, the hard work continues. So the formative years, they're like wet cement. And whatever we remain, whatever we learn in our school, it always remains with us for the rest of our lives. So my request to all the students present here today is that apart from your academics, apart from your books, learn values. Learn values of honesty, of integrity, of faith, of hard work. All of these values that you learn here will always remain with you for the rest of your life. You will always be grateful for everything that you have gotten in your schools. I am very surprised when I heard about whatever the school curriculum here is. I usually don't share this story, but I come from a village named Alirajpur in Madhya Pradesh. And the village is infamous for being the most illiterate district in the country and the most poorest district in the country. So my parents always told me to dream big. So one thing to all the students here is never dream small. Your dream should be the biggest. You should never think small. If you dream big, you can do anything that you aspire in life. Anything. There is no sky is the limit for children. That is their talent. That is their capacity. And the stars in the sky, they shine from a distance. They don't shine near us. They spread their light from that far. Children are the real stars in our life. మన పేరెంట్స్కి లైఫ్లో, మన ఫ్యామిలీ లైఫ్లో, మన టీచర్స్ లైఫ్లో children's are the real stars. They shine every day around us. They bring happiness in our life. If we don't have children around us, we won't be as happy as we. You are our hope. Whatever you do tomorrow will always tell us what investments we have made in you. So put in your best foot forward, put in all the hard work that you can, and always dream big. Never dream small. That is my only request to all the students here and to all the parents. అంటే మీ నుంచి ఎంత సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చేస్తే the students will go like anything. They will make you proud. So all the students, lead a life of fulfillment. Lead a life where you see happiness, where you see the joy. What brings you happy? Sports, if sports brings you happiness, be invested in that. If books make you happy, be invested in that. If science makes you happy, be invested in that. If aeroplane makes you happy, be invested in that. Be a pilot. You can be anything that you wish. There are thousands of fields present today. We never knew this. Manakaithe only MPC, BPC, ante. That is all we knew. But when we see all of you, we see a future. So I wish you all a very, very bright future, and may you all achieve everything that you dream of. And may you reach the heights that you always aspire to. With that, I again congratulate all the parents present here. And this is not just the Students' Day. Idi మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఒక మంచి దివస్. So we should celebrate not just students but also teachers present here. So a big round of applause for all the teachers, all the students and all the parents. And a hearty congratulations to all of you. And thank you again for making me a part of this. And it has brought back a lot of memories for me too. So thank you again and best wishes.